Good Friday morning, everybody. Mrs. Nelson here. It is actually an A-Day today, and unlike yesterday, where we got a little bit thrown off by what day it really was. Um, so I have a lot on my agenda today. I actually had to write notes for myself because there are a lot of things I want to talk to you about. But I want to start you off with what I'm posting in Google Classroom today. I put a question in there for you. I just want to know how your first week of remote learning has gone. I'm curious if there's any questions you have. I want to know how you're feeling, or you could share if there's anything we could improve. So I'm going to kind of leave it open to your comments. I just want to know how you are, kind of getting a temperature gauge on how everybody's doing. Also on my agenda today, because it's a Friday, today would be a good day to go back and look at all your assignments for the week. This week started with March 16. So when you're looking at your assignments, I label them all by date. So start looking through those assignments, check and look at your grades. I might have left comments for you. So look at 316, 317, 318, 319, and of course today's assignment. Make sure you did them. Make sure you turned them in. Look at your grades on them. Maybe there's something you could fix for a higher score. So it's Friday, and you have the weekend before we start putting new assignments out next week. So this is a really good time to kind of look back over that and make sure you can get it all done. Do the same thing for writing. There are 2 assignments in there that I am looking for, and some of you know I've been starting to make some phone calls. So please make sure you're getting that done. All right, next up on my agenda. For yesterday's assignment, the number one error that I saw on that was with compound words. Remember, if it's a compound word, that means we're joining 2 words to make them one. So like basket plus ball would make basketball. So when you're joining those words, there are no spaces. And I noticed a lot of you putting spaces in between the words, and that's why the autocorrect marked it wrong. So I did give some of you points back on that, but just for future reference, if it's a compound word, it's joined, meaning no spaces. For today's assignment, I really liked how the Google form worked. It made life a lot easier. It's making it easier to see when your assignments pop in there. So we're doing that again today. I'm excited about that. And we're doing an article called Americans Discover TV. And that's going to be working with a skill that you all know and love. It's cause and effect. We did that a lot with the water fight unit that we just did. So with cause and effect, remember a cause is why something happens and the effect is the result. So when you're reading Americans Discover TV, you're going to see some causes and effects happening there, and some of your questions are going to relate back to that. So if you need any help with those, I'll be available today. My hours are going to be a little bit different. I do have some staff meetings that I need to be in today. So I will post my revised hours when I can. I know I probably won't be available today until at least 8:30 instead of like my usual 8:15. But I will be on today to help you. And speaking of me being on today, I am so excited about this. I've been promising some of you a Gimkit game, and I'm going to actually try and make a live Google Meetings Gimkit game happen today, hoping that it works. Fingers crossed, guys, really hoping. So I'm going to try that for 11:30 today in Google Meetings. If that time changes, I'll let you know. But try to be on at 11:30 if you want to join our Gimkit game. We're going to review some of those vocab words. It seems like forever ago, the vocab words that I had in the packet before we were doing this remote learning thing. It seems so long ago. Wow. So yeah, we're going to try working with some of those words again. So if you want to join us for that game, which I really hope that you do, because I think that would be fun, please join us. Again, 11:30, try to be online and we'll try to make that happen. All right, guys, so make some time for yourself today. Try and get caught up, but also make some time to get outside because I hear it's going to be beautiful out today, and I know I kind of want to spend some time out there too. All right, so happy Friday!